right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I probably had to redo this, but yeah, we're back at the old BMW. We're back at the old BMW, and I got some work I need to do on it. So meet me on the outside of this John, and we're gonna see if we can get it done. I'm wearing my bum clothes, so I'm ready for it. Let's get it. All right, guys, I had to step in the car for a second because it's hot out there, and I don't have my GoPro. I'm using my iPhone right now, and once again, I've said "and" about twice now. We're back in the BMW, and I have a few issues with it that I'm gonna show you. I have to grab the key. Speaking of issues, this right here broken. I don't know when this came apart. Must be recent, but yeah, I just now noticed this is broken. And do I go with that "and" again? I noticed it was coming loose and decided that opening this thing would be not beneficial for me, so I didn't open it. But I realized a few days ago that it was completely broken. It might have something to do with the fact that these back pieces is plastic and they just snapped off and rolled back. So yeah, I have that going for me. This might get replaced. I have to see what the housing cost. See how to replace that. See how to get these off. Stop that. See how to get these off and go from there. I might just leave it broke. You never know. Some of this stuff that's breaking on here is due to age or neglect from past drivers, or owners. I don't know how many owners owned this car. I didn't get into all that. It was a private sale. AC still blows. But windshield wiper fluid, as you can see, doesn't work. So today I'm gonna try to fix the pump. I bought the pump a long time ago. It's in this box right here. I'm gonna do basically an unboxing. I would have did this earlier this year. I'm talking January, February, when it got warm, but COVID happened, so yeah, that went out the window. I wasn't coming outside during that whole top parts of the pandemic. Wasn't about to catch it, so yeah, that got nixed. And now today I want to get this done before the winter time. I want to remind anybody that I'm not going anywhere. You know what I mean? The country is basically still shut down. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not going to try to worry about it. And then check out the pump. I guess the phone cut off while I was trying to record. I don't know. I edited all this. As you can see, there's the pump. Yeah. Hopefully this takes care of my issues. What's that? Mealy. Hopefully this is it. Does the job I need. I'm also gonna change the wipers. And I know you guys hate these views that I call myself having. Hopefully these are the wipers that fit. I'm used to a different type of service when I go to Advance or AutoZone. I'm thinking they know what the hell parts people need because they used to. And I gotta pump the old fluid out of there. So I got this. Hopefully this is gonna work. The guy asked me what I wanted it for, like I was gonna go around stealing people's gas. I would have been offended, but I wasn't. Usually I'm offended by stuff like that. And I'm gonna put it in this old Gatorade bottle because I filled up the reservoir right before the thing broke, like literally right before. So I'm gonna step out the car. I'm going to put my mask back on. I'm going to disconnect my battery because there's gonna be some electronics I'm messing around with, and I don't want to get zapped or blow anything. I also bought this cheap 40 piece socket set just to do this job. I bought a new battery because my car's been sitting here and battery's been dying. So I'm gonna see if this is any good. It's probably just a cheap piece of crap, but it will work for what I need. And hopefully this does the job that I needed to do. And then I'll get back to you guys. I might record some of the me trying to get some of the stuff out of the car, unscrewing the reservoir, pulling out the piece. If I had something to hook this up to and not hold it, then I would do that. But I'm gonna be using both of my hands today. So yeah, let me get to this work. Now I got a ton of crap in my trunk, but there's usually some tools or whatever in here that basically used to change your tires or whatever. But all I got is this 12 socket set, and I left my 10 upstairs. I probably don't need it with the wrench that I just bought that showed you earlier. But yeah, all for changing the tire, something I haven't had to do. Thinking about buying rims, but if this car's gonna be falling apart, it's just gonna get replaced. That's it. So I don't know, this might unhook the battery. Guess we'll have to find out and see. You know, I'll get back to you. Right, the battery's right there. I have a bunch of crap in this trunk, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get that done. Hopefully it don't hurt myself. My dumbass made a bit of a mistake here. When I went to disconnect the battery, I forgot to take the positive off, or the negative off, before I went and took off the positive. Now, mind you, my dumb ass went upstairs to go get my wrench, my 10mm, because this set here doesn't have an extension for these little pieces. You think this would be an extension, but it's not. It's not. And if it is, I don't know nothing about it. It's not showing me it's an extension. It's just yeah, kind of screwed myself. Came to a shocking realization. Burnt my little wrench, but hey, it is what it is. I didn't get hurt. It just, I tapped this piece of metal here, and that was enough. And I knew I was supposed to unconnect this first, but for some reason I decided, nah, I'm gonna just go see what that positive do. Yeah, funny as hell, but because I was working this side first to unattach it, then I was gonna go over there, but for some reason I went over there to make sure the piece fit. And yeah, that's the first time I've done that in a long time or ever, and I won't be doing it again. I learned my lesson, I think. I don't know yet. This is finding the motor right there. I said probably. Maybe I don't even have to take it out to get to it. Huh. Well, we're gonna take it out any damn way. Let's see. See, I'm learning as I'm going. Well, it's not really learning as I'm going. I know what I'm supposed to do, but some of these clamps are hard to know to take off. So in this clamp you have to pull up, push it back, pull it up. And be careful, these things are brittle in these old cars, you know. This is the pump here. And then I gotta take this hose off. And hopefully that'll be it. And of course I think I might need 2 hands. I know I'm supposed to have needle nose pliers, but I don't actually have it. So, see, now I can take it off. There's another connection here in the back. I'm not about to unhook this whole thing. I'm just gonna pull this out and replace it with the new one that's sitting in my car. So let me go grab that real fast. I have the new part here. Of course, you've already seen it before. And I'm about to pull this. Last time I just laughed like that. One-handed. See? Actually, that was easier than I thought. I'm not gonna try to figure out why it's broken. That ain't my business. It's funny now I just said that ain't my business. Let me make sure it's not broken off. Everything looks fine and dandy. I just gotta make sure when I replace this new one in, I place it in there right. And shouldn't be no wrong way to put it in. Just slide it back. And that's basically it. Let's hope that's the reason why it was broke. Let's get it. I'm about to buckle all this back in. Throw that over there. And then we'll see. Now it's the time for the moment of truth. I put the whole harness back in. This is the old windshield wiper pump in the box. I rehooked the battery because I'm pretty sure you need to see that. And now see, it's time for the moment of truth. Now, either this thing's gonna shoot the fluid and that was the problem, or it's not, and I replaced the windshield wiper pump for no reason at all. And hopefully that'll be it. Woo! Thank God. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Okay. Seems like the nozzles is right there on the hood. With the hood up, it was just spraying up. So yeah, there you go. One more job to do, and this is done. I just have to change my blades. Guy told me 22 on the driver's side, 19 on the passenger. And he said they should fit, and they don't. I can bring them back, so we'll see. So I'll do that, start that. I don't know if there needs to be a video for that. I don't know how to do this. I don't want to embarrass myself, but if I learn, then get one on, then I'll show you guys how to do it, okay? But like I say, I'm out here by myself. I need both my hands, so yeah, let's get it. So yeah, I got people watching me trying to figure out what's going on. What am I doing? So I might have to end this a little fast, but there's still things this car needs. I really want to get some rims. I wanted to get some summer tires or whatever, some BBSs possibly on this thing. Of course, if I bought BBSs, I couldn't get any that cost more than the car, because that would be ridiculous. Everything that's going on, I don't even know how long I'm gonna be keeping this car. I want to get into a sports car next and not get smacked by anything in the street. So yeah, if this car keeps falling apart interior wise, the exterior is still pretty fine, even though the front grille here is got a crack in it. Of course it was like that when I bought it. You know, I might have to do something. I'm not gonna touch that at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna start looking for the next car. I do actually enjoy this one. I actually love it. But I've had it for a year. I think it's time to move on. We'll have to wait and see. So, yeah, with that said, let me bring this to a close and get off the street. I'll catch you guys in the next one.